Merry Christmas! Let me show you the elegant alternatives to say Merry Christmas. Number 1. May the universe fulfill all your desires this Christmas. This is a warm and thoughtful Christmas wish. Number 2. Wishing you continued growth and new opportunities in the coming year. Perfect for professional and formal wishes. Number 3. Sending you a pocket full of sparkle and heart full of cheer. Now, this sounds cheerful and festive. Number 4. Wishing you sparkly lights, sweet snacks, and the best Christmas ever. Fun and friendly. Great for friends and family. Number 5. Wishing you a season filled with comfort, joy, and little moments that make your life magical.